As we know, cities today are currently faced with issues crossing environmental, socioeconomic, and political realms.
Planet Texas 2050 as a whole is addressing the grand challenge of climate change and population growth in our cities and infrastructure systems.
So that growth creates tremendous opportunities, such as new jobs, but it can also bring costs or harms, such as pollution. And those opportunities as well as the cost aren't always shared equally across populations.
And within our Equitable and Regenerative Cities Flagship, we are specifically trying to change how we design and build future cities and infrastructure systems by working directly with communities and co-designing this process. And in this, we're implementing a framework of circular economy.
As we build the foundation of green cities, it is so important to keep in mind global and local future generations.
As climate change has showed us, we will constantly have stronger events, more frequency of events. So we want to make sure that people are thinking about these things and that we work together to ensure that people are safe.
Traditionally, we have been developing products in a linear approach. So we take, we make, and we dispose. But in circular economy, we have to shift our mindset in which waste is no longer waste. That can be considered a resource. So we're taking, for example, waste from one type of urban system, let's say from a production of a farm, and that waste can be now considered as a resource for another production system.
So we're seeking to make sure that this kind of growth is done in a way that's equitable, so that the opportunities, such as new jobs, are shared by all residents in an area, and the costs or harms, such as pollution or toxicity, are not impacting certain populations to a higher degree, especially those populations that have historically been impacted more by the costs that come along with this kind of growth.
Resilience hubs are community-trusted locations that help people before, during, and after an event.
That's why projects like the Resilience Hub here in Austin and at UT, in partnership with community and city fellows, is so important in creating true environmentally just futures.
Part of that is thinking in the long term and really working across departments, but also across the community to ensure they're working together for a better future.
We're bringing researchers and community representatives that bring different perspectives and different expertise, including energy systems, communication systems, food systems, water, and green infrastructure.
What we're trying to do is to figure out a way to grow communities in a way that rebuilds and regenerates ecosystems, and also create safe and healthy places for the humans who live there, using services and infrastructure to ensure that we're prepared for the growth that's coming ahead, as well as for climate-related events such as heat and drought.
The seeds we are planting today will grow into the collective futures in which we are proud to inhabit tomorrow.